Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's JFOREX King, the real FOREX King, back for another market recap for Tuesday, September 22nd. So, pretty much for Tuesday, there's a few events that happened during um, London and New York. London session, you had GBP news with Bailey Speaks. So, there was like volatility in the market in terms of for the GBP pairs. And then later on, New York session, there was news obviously because of the Fed chair that kind of pushed the market. And then this evening during like eighth session, it's going to be a lot of like news for the New Zealand pair at 10 p.m. That should be for lookout. But we look at the charts and see what happens. So right now, looking at this area, let me draw real quick. So pretty much London session started and there was like a bullish momentum. Market went up for London session. But then for basically New York session, the market came back down and started to die out. So the market would push up for London and came back down for New York session. So right now I am looking for basic overall sell opportunities because we are on a downtrend. Lower, low, lower, low, lower high. So we're probably gonna create one more lower high. It could be down here maybe. But overall we're creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So yeah. And then for GBP, JPY, it was a little nasty. The market definitely went up during London session, came back down and went back up. And then it like dropped during New York session, but this had a strong area of support that was tested. So the market is testing this area, so it's not about to like break it yet. Maybe it will break it for the news events, or the market might decide to finally come back up. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So this is like a strong area of support. So right now, it could be a buyer's market, and the market could potentially start to come back up based off this area. But overall, it's still a sell as of now for the higher time frame. So you go to the daily chart for GBPJPY, you can see it's been dropping down for these past days. Some retracement right now, but we'll see. We go looking at the history. This was like an area of strong support and resistance. So that's why this area is being tested. So FYI. And let's look at AUDUSD. So this pair pretty much dropped during New York session. It rose during London. Rose from London and then came back down, dropped in New York session. Dropped pretty heavy. And right now we're in the Asian session. This is why it's like not that much volume. Right now, Asian session is not that much volume. That's when the market is what it is, the one it does. And then for gold, gold wasn't pretty nice. It's still overall downtrend, but it's like it just wasn't looking real great to trade. Because the trend is pretty small. It's kind of about to do like a breakout soon, so be on the lookout. It could like break down or it could decide to break up. So you can see potentially come back down, break this area, and go down. Or you can see something crazy happen where it goes and breaks and starts the uptrend, which will be nice for it to come back up to this area. It's been a while since it's been to the 1950 area, but if it gets 1952, that'll be nice. But right now, we're in a downtrend and it looks like it's going lower and lower. But we'll see what happens because we have all this wick area over here where they're trapping people. So we'll see. This could be a strong demand zone area. But we'll see. And for the US 30, Dow Jones, we are pretty much on an uptrend right now. So I'll just focus on buys right now. If you trade in US 30, look for good entries for buys. It might retrace back down for a better entry, and then you should get in buys. Maybe buy at this area. But pretty much the market tanked, and then it started to rise towards the end of the New York session. So that's pretty much it. I'll just focus on buys if you're trading US 30. And GBPJPY, back at it real quick. Right now, it looks like it might want to start an uptrend soon, so be on the lookout for short-term buys until we can fully confirm the uptrend move. Right now, you can see the market is struggling to break this strong area of support. So that being said, trade we see, know what you think. And that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Right now, we out here. Peace.